Good morning. My name is Chantal Hoy Sanders, and I am the author of I Have Fibromyalgia, but It Doesn't Have Me. And like so many of you with fibromyalgia, I also have sleep apnea, dry eye syndrome, chronic migraines, reactive hypoglycemia. In 2020, I was diagnosed with breast cancer, so that's why I've been pretty quiet on my page on Facebook. Been really busy with other health issues. Also injured my right eye. With a gardening accident, had to have a corneal stem cell contact to regrow my cornea. So yeah, lots of things going on. But I just wanted to announce a couple products that I found that I absolutely love. And this one is called the Bleep Sleep. It is a mask. It's called the Eclipse Mask by Bleep Sleep. And these little sticker things here you see are called Halo, Eclipse Halos. So here's the box for the halos. It looks like this. This is the back. This is my first night with this new type of mask. I have a bunch of them over here that I've tried. I've probably gone through 15, 20 masks. Recently tried to find something that doesn't leak into my eye to re-injure it. It's been re-injured 14 times since July 17th. Which means corneal abrasion, and it is now October 14th. So I've been desperate to find something. I found this online. Very hard to find something that might work that doesn't leak, but this so far has been great. It's a magnetic system with a diffuser. The hardest thing I found is with the mask is trying to find the diffuser. I'm going to turn it off so you can see how easy it is. So no leaking, no leaking. Usually I wear these masks, this eye mask from the Dry Eye Shop. Shout out to the Dry Eye Shop. They've been wonderful. This is called Eye Echo, and it is the quartz. I've gone through a few of these in the last 3 years. Okay, so let's get back to the Eclipse. First night wearing it last night. Took it off probably 9 times now. I keep taking it off and putting it off. The stickers have stayed. You just need to use witch hazel or rubbing alcohol underneath to attach. Super easy. I'm going to turn it off so you can see. Well, you can see how quiet it is. And I can talk while wearing it. But there's a little bit of air that comes down here from the diffuser. So it comes like this, but still away from the eye, which is the goal. Okay, so I'm going to turn it off and let you see how easy it is to take these off and put them back on. So I just slide these forward. And you can see there's a sticker with the metal plate. I had to cut the sticker in the middle to make it fit my nose correctly. So the sticker wouldn't overlap on the metal. So this can join on. So I'll show you how easy this is to attach. Click. Click. There you go. No headgear for those migraine sufferers like myself. TMJ sufferers, no headgear. Probably will put a cotton ball underneath to just take it off of my lip a little bit, but I did drape it over my bed. They do recommend getting a stand, and I did buy one. It just hasn't come yet. So let's see. This could turn out. Kind of look like a lion with this outfit on. That looks funny. But here we go. Very quiet. So I highly recommend. We'll see. The true test is taking these stickers off and seeing what it looks like underneath. And I'm going to do that in just a minute. Bleep Sleep. Stuart is the founder. Spoke with him on the phone. He was wonderful.